Hey everyone! We've been testing Telehealth's Restore Sleep Supplement for a few weeks now, and this one deserves a proper breakdown. It's marketed as a natural, non-habit forming solution for improving sleep quality, not just knocking you out. The blend includes melatonin, magnesium glycinate, valerian root, and chamomile, all known to promote relaxation and regulate circadian rhythm. What we love first is how gentle it feels. Within about 30 minutes, there's a calm wave that helps you wind down without that groggy, drugged up feeling. Our sleep duration improved slightly, but the real difference was in sleep depth. Fewer wake-ups, smoother transitions, and more rested mornings. However, results vary. One of us felt drowsy the next day if taken too late, so timing matters. We also noticed that after using it nightly for over 2 weeks, the effects felt slightly less pronounced, suggesting your body may adapt over time. On the upside, it's clean, no artificial fillers or weird aftertaste, and it pairs nicely with the bedtime routine. But it's pricey compared to similar blends, and not everyone needs melatonin daily. Overall, Restore feels like high quality, well-balanced sleep support, not a knockout pill. If you struggle with occasional restlessness or inconsistent sleep, it's worth adding to your nighttime ritual. But for chronic insomnia, you may want something stronger. Still, for gentle restorative rest, this one lives up to its name. This has been How to Literally Weekly Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.